The Blendtec Connoisseur 825 is an absolute workhorse and one of the most powerful commercial blenders on the market. Each day it can help you deliver a huge volume of blended drinks, but in a busy cafe or restaurant environment, spillages will happen and mess is inevitable. In this video, I'm going to show you how to care for and clean your Blendtec Connoisseur 825 so that it can continue to deliver many more years of service in your establishment. To clean your blender, you're going to need a damp sponge or cloth, a mild detergent such as washing up liquid, and an optional extra microfiber cloth. Do not use anything abrasive which could scratch or dull the appearance of your otherwise crystal clear sound enclosure. Likewise, stay away from any abrasive or harsh cleaning chemicals such as bleach. If you prefer, or if you have limited access to water, you can instead use disposable cleaning wipes. Start by unplugging the blender. Remove the top half of the sound enclosure. Lie the blender onto its side. Unclip the access hatch on the underside of the motor enclosure and put to one side. Gently pull apart the sound and motor enclosure. Now remove the motor and set it to one side very carefully. Feed the power cord through. Take the motor enclosure in one hand and pull out the foam insert. Set that to one side. Remove the rubber gasket from around the motor. Do not submerge the motor in water. This will cause permanent damage and void your warranty. Just wipe it clean with a damp cloth and gently remove any sticky syrup or milk residue. The parts with sponge, just wipe with a damp cloth. Clean everything else with soapy water. Leave everything to dry or dry it with a towel. For an additional shine, wipe the motor and sound enclosures with the microfiber cloth. Put the rubber gasket back onto the motor by feeding the power cord through and sliding that back on. The rubber gasket prevents spillages and liquid getting into the motor, so if you lose this part, get in touch with your Blendtec dealer. Put the foam insert back into the motor enclosure. Place the sound enclosure next to the motor enclosure. Feed the power cord through the hole. Carefully position the motor back into place. The cord feeds through into this little gap. Replace the access hatch by first putting these two little juts into these recesses and then closing the hatch until the clips clip into place. Stand the blender up. Reposition the top half of your sound enclosure. Clean and ready for another busy day of blending.